Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to your Framer website. This integration makes scheduling incredibly seamless by allowing visitors to book appointments directly from your site without any redirects or external links. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to calendly.com. Once you're on the Calendly homepage, head over to your meetings or events section. This is where all your available scheduling options are stored, and it's the starting point for creating the embed code you'll need for your Framer site. Now take a look at the meeting or event you want to embed on your website. You'll notice three dots positioned right beside it. Click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Add to Website. This action initiates the embedding process and prepares your calendar for integration. After clicking Add to Website, you'll be presented with different embed options. For our purpose today, click on Inline Embed. This particular embed type allows your calendar to appear directly within your web page, creating a smooth, integrated experience for your visitors. Once you've selected Inline Embed, click Continue to move forward. The next screen will display your embed code. This is the critical piece that connects Calendly to your Framer site. Go ahead and click Copy Code to save this snippet to your clipboard. Make sure you've copied the entire code, as any missing portion could prevent the calendar from displaying correctly. Now it's time to switch over to Framer. Open your Framer project where you want the Calendly calendar to appear. At the top of your workspace, locate and click on Insert. This opens up a menu of elements you can add to your site. From there, click on Utility to access advanced components that enhance functionality. Within the Utility section, you'll find an option called Embed. Drag this embed element onto your website canvas, positioning it exactly where you want your Calendly calendar to appear. This flexibility allows you to design your page layout precisely how you envision it. With the embed element now on your canvas, look over to the right side panel where the embed settings are displayed. Here you'll see two options, URL or HTML. Click on HTML, since we're working with the embed code we copied from Calendly rather than just a simple link. Finally, paste the embedded code you copied earlier into the HTML field. As soon as you paste it, your Calendly calendar should start rendering within the embed frame on your Framer site. You've now successfully integrated Calendly with Framer, giving your website visitors an effortless way to schedule time with you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.